But let's talk about the young fighters. We talked about Jesse Vargas. You know, I'm doing that show at Barclays. Mayweather Promotions is the past, the present, and the future of sports and entertainment. And we also got Adrian Broner fighting and Gervonta Tank Davis. And if Gervonta Tank Davis win that fight, I already spoke to Todd DeBuff from Top Rank. We look forward to Adrian Broner. We look forward to Gervonta Tank Davis fighting Lomachenko after this fight. We know Tank fights in April. Lomachenko fights in May. I already spoke to Top Rank, Todd DeBuff, and we're going to make that fight happen between Lomachenko and Gervonta Davis.
A lot of news tonight. Got your promoter hat on as well. Thank you, Floyd. Always good to be with you.